Yeah, Simba will also paint it.
See?
Look.
Pratima gave Simba. Who gave?
Simba.
Who?
Which color?
Pratima?
Pink?
Simba?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who or jacket?
It was coming. And Seisha likes blue. And
Yeah.
you're,
Apila, Krish.
you like pink.
Oh, Krish.
I should have
Sidewalk paint. Washable.
साइडवॉक पेंट बाजू रखो है इसको तो घर पूरा पेंट करके रखेंगे ये लोग.
Okay, what else? Oh,
This
sorry.
one, this one.
This
This one is mine.
Big bag, see, yeah.
This is mine.
This is from.
Oh, Maika got it.
Open, Seisha.
Did you say thank you to Maika? Saisha?
Let Micah, let Saisha take it out.
Okay, Saisha, take it out.
She does not only have to, that's what she's saying.
Thank you.
Open it.
Take it out.
Take it out.
Seisha?
Ooh.
Oh, this is that. वो मैंने गमी तो मैंने पेंस होते हैं तेरे से. Look, dress, purple dress with hearts, purple hearts.
And now a toy.
Wait, there's more stuff. Let's see, let me see all this.
Seisha?
Hey, this is cute, very cute. I like the.
How she selected that?
Which one do you like, Seisha? This
No,
one
Ma.
or this one?
Ma
You like this one or this
Ma?
one? Purple one.
We went to the mall that day,
Purple one?
so I told them with the
What is this? Hey, this is so cute.
For Saisha?
Yeah,
4-year-old.
That's
cotton, acha, soft cotton.
In our family, we never wear the right sizes. We always wear.
probably for another 2 years.
Seisha, hurry. Blue color.
Oh, Doodle Pro.
छे already.
Blue color doodle pro.
तेरे gift receipt
Five
छोड़ा
thousand.
मत था वो करा छे पालो को ले
नहीं बट वो इतना खराब हो गया वो काम नहीं करता.
बड़ा वाला.
डूडल प्रे.
उसने भी वो दिया ना बड़ा बोर्ड.
पर आ बहुत सारू पड़े छे when you are in car or
Yeah,
anything.
use it.
Doodle Pro is very very good. અત્યારે પણ વાપરે છે સારો.
અચ્છા.
ત્યાં જ આપી.
You can start her alphabet sing from there.
બેડમાં પણ તારથી લઈને બેઠા ને. કારમાં આવી છે તે કોણ આપી દે ને તો એની પર લીટી ચોટાડી છે એટલે
હા એ સારું જોઈશું.
So where's the jump?
Nice choice, Maika.
Very good choice.
Maika,
Thank you.
good choice.
બસ.
Arshi also? Oh, okay.
Maika has a similar exactly that purple one, right, Mai? I told you to wear that today. I thought it will be nice.
Yeah, we could have taken a sister picture. Okay, then can you bring that? Okay, let's see what Tata and Nanama said.
Oh, they sent from India?
Yeah.
That is so nice of them.
You open.
સારું કેટલું મોટું છે મોકલી
Open. Pull this. ના તો packing તો પ્રતિમા કરી.
ઓ અચ્છા એવું છે વાવ સારું દાદા દાદી સેન્સ કરતા માતા પાપા મમ્મી
Ta-da!
Oh wow pretty Jack.
You want it?
You want it? Yeah, Ma would love to have it. Can she have it?
Can she wear it?
Yeah.
Can you show everybody?
Can you show what it is?
Ooh.
Oh, that's a very nice one.
Put it like this.
Both are good.
Here.
Uncle ni choice
Open
choice
like
uncle.
this. No, hold it like this. And show everybody.
Hey, wow, beautiful.
Oh wow. Oh beautiful.
Oh.
It's a pajama.
Princess.
Princess. Yeah, वो princess.
A princess.
इसीलिए प्रिंसेस को बुलाया.
अच्छा ये princess अच्छी थी.
लेकिन उसको कुछ पता नहीं है प्रिंसेस के बारे में. पता नहीं है, हम लोग नहीं थे, तू नहीं शुरू किया उसको प्रिंसेस.
ले.
किसको?
Doesn't really know like princess.
No, Saisha, you mean?
Saisha.
We were thinking the lady who came.
I thought she doesn't.
She dressed up as princess.
Here, Ma.
No, but she was not very like.
And then this one.
खाली acting not करती.
आ जाओ.
Oh nice, सारू છે. Smart. तो मोटू है.
Simba will come.
Hey, come.
Come here. We have more gifts to open.
Uh-oh. What happened?